Do you love playing games and make a lot of money, but at the same time you don't want to get killed? Then congratulations! You have come to the right video. Because in this video, I will be teaching you how to make money online just by playing games on your mobile phone, lying on your bed under your cozy mattress. You won't get drugged or abducted or forced to play life-threatening games and get a horrific ending. Instead, you will be playing safely in your own house and conveniently using your mobile phone and make a hell lot of money. Before I show you this method, I would like to tell you that these three methods are 100% free and are available worldwide, so anyone from any country can play games using our method and make money online. Therefore, make sure you watch this video until the end. Attention! Click the like button before the doll looks at you. I hope most of you are still healthy. As a gift for liking the video so quickly, I'm going to show you the first application right away. The first app for today, which you can download on an iOS or an Android device, is called Lucktastic. Obviously, you need to download this on your smartphone, which is great since now you don't even need a laptop or a desktop computer to make money. All you need is your mobile phone and play games, and you can start earning money online.
Time will tell.
Now this app works by allowing you to play scratch-off lottery tickets virtually for zero cost. It is also free to download on your smartphone, whether it's an Android or an iOS like we mentioned earlier. And the awesome part is that it gives you real cash prizes if you win the game. You can actually win up to $5,000, but you need to be consistent to do it, which is doable. All you have to do is log in and play so that you can keep making money and eventually get a huge balance in your account. You can cash out your prizes in so many ways, as you can see over here. And with every card that you play, you can earn tokens, which is actually money. And they give out huge amounts so that you can easily collect and eventually grow big. There are also instant rewards that you can claim using your tokens. So if you want cash or if you want Insta reward gift cards or things like that, you can choose them without any charge. As long as you play and follow the rules and follow the instructions, you can choose them without any charge as long as you play, follow the rules and the instructions, which is fun and challenging so that you never get bored. Guess what? There's even a $1 million winner, and who knows, that could be you too. So make sure that you try this app out and let us know how it goes in the comments down below. We are focused on making the most useful videos for our viewers, so please let us know in the comments down below what type of mobile phone you're using. Are you an iOS user or an Android user? Leave your answer in the comments down below now. Alright, let's continue. Our second app for today is called Misplay. Misplay is an app where you can play multiple new games and earn from them with choices of rewards as well. Misplay's point system is in units, so you will get your rewards in units and those can be converted into cash or into gift cards, whichever you prefer. And as we said before, you can even choose from gift cards if you want by playing games like this. Moreover, you can also make friends on this app. You can chat with them daily, and if you want, there are also new games that you can choose from. Which is why I love this app and decided I had to share it with you all, because you won't be doing the same thing every single day like a robot. You have a lot of choices to choose from so that you won't get bored and you will continue to want to play and earn. With this app, you can play games, collect units, redeem for rewards, join weekly contests where you can actually win up to $7,500. This is how it would look like if you search it on the App Store or the Google Play Store. You can download this for completely free. As you can see, it has a 4.0 rating, which is really great. And it also has some good reviews on it as well. Over here, someone said I like this app. I just wish it had more different games, and by now it already does have a lot of different games as we mentioned earlier. I've gotten 3 gift cards from playing, so that part is great. You do get paid, so you really do get paid next. There's absolutely love. I'm so satisfied with this app, I don't even feel the urge to try and find a better or faster rewarding app. As you can see, these people love this app especially now where it's working much better for everyone. So make sure you try this app and make money online. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a video. Now let's continue. The third game for today is coinfarm.com. This game has been very popular in the past year. People are literally cashing out every single day from this app, and it's very easy to use from what I've observed. For this game, I recommend that you open the website and play it on there instead, since it's much easier and you have more range of motion if you're on your laptop or computer. But if you don't have a computer or laptop, then you can still play it on your phone. So if you were thinking of giving a thumbs down, please don't. Instead, click the like button. Now it says earn money by playing Buy Birds. They will lay eggs for you, eggs will be stored in the warehouse, collect them, sell eggs, and you will get gold. This gold is actually your money. You can also invite friends and exchange resources for real money. So that's another way to make money online using this app, and buy more birds to earn more income. So there's really a lot to do in this game, and it's my personal favorite. Make sure you create an account, sign up, and play all 3 games so that you can make money online like a boss. Let us know in the comments down below how these apps were for you, whether you liked it, whether you hated it, whether you have another awesome app. Also, make sure you click the subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we post a new video about the latest ways to make more money online.